Manual handling principles are vital across various sectors. In construction, using mechanical aids not only mitigates risks but also enhances efficiency. Meanwhile, in healthcare, promoting awareness of patient lifting techniques improves outcomes. It also reduces injury rates among staff. Logistics workers benefit from ergonomic training, which helps them handle repetitive tasks safely and efficiently. Retail staff need ongoing education on safe practices. Their roles often involve dynamic and physically demanding movements. In agriculture, regular breaks and efficient handling strategies help reduce fatigue and maintain productivity. By addressing these specific needs, we can foster a safer work environment for everyone involved. It's also crucial to actively engage employees in safety discussions. Encouraging feedback on manual handling practices empowers workers. It helps them identify potential hazards. Regular safety meetings promote open communication, allowing teams to share experiences and solutions. By creating a culture centered around safety, organizations prioritize worker well-being. Every worker feels responsible for their own safety. They also take responsibility for the safety of their colleagues. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining a safe workplace. Collective insights help enhance overall safety protocols. These improvements make manual handling safer and more effective. Sharing real-life successes reinforces the importance of safety discussions. For example, a construction site implemented a robust training program. This program led to a dramatic decline in injury rates. It highlights the effectiveness of proper techniques in real-world settings. Similarly, a logistics company invested in ergonomic assessments. They also upgraded equipment to improve safety. As a result, worker morale improved. Safety metrics showed positive changes as well. These examples show the benefits of prioritizing manual handling principles. Organizations protect their employees by doing so. They also boost productivity and foster a positive work environment. Proactive measures create a culture where safety becomes second nature for all team members. Empowering employees to take ownership of their safety is key. For example, involve employees in designing safe lifting strategies. This approach brings practical insights from their daily experiences. Their input helps create more effective and realistic safety practices. Valued and heard workers follow best practices more consistently. Safety reminders and a supportive environment embed safe handling into workplace culture. This approach ensures lasting improvements and equips employees to manage tasks safely. Understanding that safety is a shared responsibility is vital in reinforcing manual handling principles. Every employee enhances safety through vigilance and following procedures. Peer mentoring improves knowledge and fosters community commitment. In the heart of every organization, selecting champions for safety discussions emerges as a pivotal strategy. This not only empowers individuals but also enhances advocacy for best practices. Together, teams foster a culture of safety, ensuring that everyone takes shared responsibility. Investing in manual handling emphasizes commitment, propelling safety culture throughout the workforce. When training and communication are prioritized, they serve as the foundation for protecting workers effectively. A strong safety culture boosts performance and job satisfaction, creating a productive and secure workplace. In the next video we will discuss about AI applications in manual handling. Stay connected with us. Thank you.